So, magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, hindi pag-uusapan kabola ay ang mga top trade asset naman po ng Magnolia at saka NLEX kabola. Yung last two teams na na-eliminate sa quarterfinals. Pag-usapan natin ang happenings din po around the league. Patungkol na rin po sa reign sa Rookie of the Year. So, mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. So, ito nga pong Rookie of the Year kabola, it's down to 2 guys kabola. That should be Justin Baltasar kabola daw at saka si RJ Abarientos kabola. Although I'm not sure bakit hindi na nila ba, wala na ba sa consideration Cedric Bearfield according to this article. Pero overall kasi kabola, sila ata yung magkalapit in terms of statistical points kabola. Ano po? So currently si Abarientos is at 14.6 points kabola, 2.8 rebounds, 4.1 assists kabola, while si Baltasar is at 13.5 points, 12.4 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 1.3 blocks per game. So overall actually, if you look at the numbers, of course, mas impressive yung kay Baltasar overall, di ba? Double-double yan kabola. Pero ang problema yun ni Baltasar kabola, and maybe the issue kaya hindi po mapapasa kanya yung award is that meron kasing rule na dapat po yung makakuha daw ng award is nalaro niya yung 70% ng games po ng mga kanya pong team kabola. At mukhang malabo kabola kay Baltasar kasi hindi po siya naglaro dun sa una pong tournament. So yan ngayon yung issue ng isang Justin Baltasar. Sayang nga kung napasok sila ng semis, baka abutin sana yung 70% kabola. Speaking of semis kabola, San Miguel Beermen kabola, ninenervyos nga, natalo sila sa game 1 kabola kasi nakahabol po ang Barangay Ginebra kabola. Ginebra actually slowly but surely again getting to their top shape kabola. Pero ang problema ay ng San Miguel Beermen meron pong problema o injury na itong si Pajardo daw kabola. Yung injury na po sa calf niya kabola, parang nararamdaman na naman niya kabola. And of course, kapag walang Pajardo kabola, talagang liyamado na, di ba? Ang Barangay Ginebra diyan kung wala pong Pajardo. Yun yung issue ngayon, Barangay Ginebra po kabola. Now, itong si Calvin Abueva pala kabola, di ba? Nang-asar pa nung natalo yung Magnolia Hotshots kabola. Of course, ugali naman na to ni Calvin Abueva, pero nakakatuwa lang, di ba? Parang pinapamukha niya, o anong nangyari, di ba? Sinacrifice siya in a way, kabola, for Navarro. Unfortunately, hindi nag-click agad yung chemistry nila with Navarro, kaya kahit pa, of course, upgrade yung Navarro, kabola, hindi rin naman po masyado nakatulong na. Kasi nga po, issue yung chemistry. Again, yan yung pinapakita, actually, yung importance din po ng chemistry, kabola, sa isang team. Comments muna tayo ng mga fans. Joel De Guzman, pa-shoutout idol watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Yvonne and Cantor, Jeans at TNT sa finals. Mukhang yan naman yung inaabangan ng karamihan. Michael Angelo De Guzman, sana hanggang finals at Commissioner Cup finals. At kung Governors Cup ng PBA, sana lagi fair call, sabi niya kabola. Then isa pa, pero kung hindi pare-pare sa mga tawag ng mga referees ngayon, lalo pa pangit ang PBA ngayon, okay? So, of course, palagi namang issue yun kabola, di ba? Konting mali lang ng referee at malaking issue na agad kabola. Pero of course, again, that's part of the sports kabola. We need to accept that. That's really part of the scene kabola, or paano po siya ina-assess. Now, ito na kabola, top trade assets po ng NLEX Road Warriors. For me, it's Kevin Elias kabola. So, Cyrus Torres, nagpakitang gilas na kabola. Kumbaga, kiniklaim niya, is a rookie kabola, pero he's capable of being the partner of Robert Bolick. Of course, nandyan pa yung iba pa pong young player kabola na pwedeng si Valdez, Enoch Valdez, nandyan din kabola, diba? Si Nieto, nandyan pa rin kabola. So overall, they have a much younger po set of guards that can take over. And Kevin still has that name value that NLEX can take advantage by trading him kabola and getting something in a different position na mas kailangan po nila. And then of course, sa Magnolia Hotshots kabola, of course, we will be having their Paul Lee kabola. Bakit po Paul Lee? First, of course, ang tingin pa rin dyan is superstar, diba? They can still get a package that is near a trade package for a superstar if they will trade Paul Lee. Although of course right now he is not playing like a superstar kabola. Yan yung kumbaga pwedeng i-take advantage po ng Magnolia Hotshots with Paul Lee kabola. And of course we know naman that the wing guard rotation of Magnolia is very heavy. So they can trade Paul Lee for a forward kabola para mas lumalim pa yung forward position, although malalim na actually ngayon, or a wing kabola, di ba? So overall kabola, sa palagay mo sila bang top trade asset po ng Magnolia at NLEX? Kami na po. So